The fascination with campervan conversions and the van life lifestyle has been booming in recent years, with countless people seeking freedom on the road. But the concept of converting a standard vehicle into a cozy mobile home is far from new. A perfect example of this vintage spirit is a remarkable 1949 Chevrolet Kurbmaster Step-Van that was converted into a stealth camper back in the 1970s and has recently undergone a thoughtful refurbishment in 2023 to bring new life to this classic rig. Originally manufactured by General Motors between 1940 and 1998, the Chevrolet Step-Van was a versatile commercial vehicle built on a Chevy pickup chassis. Its forward control cab and boxy high roof design made it ideal for delivery services and logistics companies across America. Over the decades, it gained popularity for conversion into everything from food trucks to mobile workshops. The Kurbmaster variant, introduced in 1949, was a particularly special model thanks to its aluminum bodywork crafted by Grumman Olson, a company known for aircraft manufacturing and expertise in lightweight, rust-resistant construction. This 1949 Kurbmaster Step-Van holds a rich history as a camper conversion from the 1970s, a golden era for mobile homes in the U.S. The stealthy exterior is simple and functional, painted in beige with a green roof, colors that help it blend into natural surroundings, perfect for inconspicuous camping. A few standout features catch the eye, such as fishing rod holders mounted on the front bumper and side of the van, as well as a rear platform with railings and propane tank mounts hinting at its outdoor-ready design. The van rolls on newly installed 16-inch wheels wrapped in Mazzini Giant Saver all-terrain tires, a great upgrade for a vintage vehicle. Chrome grille bars, headlight visors, pop-out side windows, and a spotlight add both functionality and charm to the exterior. Step inside through a single glass door to discover an open-plan living space that flows seamlessly from the front driver's cab to the rear camper section. The driver's seat has been tastefully reupholstered in green Krypton velvet with yellow piping, preserving the vintage vibe alongside classic dashboard gauges, including a 5-digit odometer showing just over 13,000 miles, underscoring the van's enduring condition. The living quarters in the rear retain much of the 1970s character, featuring wood paneling, vinyl flooring, and plush velvet upholstery. The kitchen area, though dated in appearance, is highly functional, with a dual-sided design. It boasts a sink, a refrigerator, a 3-burner stove with oven, and a vent hood, all topped with metal flake laminate countertops providing ample workspace. Wood cabinetry offers plenty of storage for food and utensils essential for extended road trips. At the back, the camper space serves a dual purpose, transforming from a daytime lounge into a nighttime sleeping area. 2 platform beds fitted with orthopedic foam cushions ensure comfort, surrounded by upper cabinets and storage compartments beneath the beds. Practical additions like a Dearborn propane heater and a full-height closet near the kitchen add convenience and warmth on chilly nights. Mechanically, this Kurbmaster camper is powered by a Chevrolet 235 inline-6 engine paired with a 4-speed manual transmission. The engine has been recently serviced with a new starter, distributor cap, rotor, points, spark plugs, and a replacement 6-volt battery and cables, ensuring it remains reliable despite its age. While it drives like a 75-year-old vehicle, it can still reach speeds up to 60 miles per hour, making it suitable for nostalgic yet practical road trips. The 2023 refurbishment involved repainting the exterior, reupholstering the interior, refinishing the cabinets and appliances, and fitting new wheels and tires, preserving the camper's vintage charm while refreshing its usability. Now available for sale in Oyster Bay, New York, this classic Chevrolet Kurbmaster camper offers a rare opportunity for vintage vehicle enthusiasts and adventurous souls to own a genuine piece of America and enjoy the timeless joy of van life. Whether you're a collector, a camper, or someone who appreciates nostalgic design combined with practical upgrades, this 1949 Kurbmaster Step-Van stealth camper stands as a unique symbol of past and present adventures on wheels.